How to pass ACCA exam in your first attempt. 4 proven tips. Hey guys, welcome back to Zell Education. Today we are talking about something that every ACCA student wants to know. How to pass your ACCA exam in the first attempt itself. I know ACCA papers can feel overwhelming. The syllabus is huge, the exams are challenging, and the pressure is real. But here is the truth. With the right strategy and right resources, first attempt success is absolutely achievable. So today, I am sharing 4 essential tips that have helped thousands of students pass their ACCA papers in their very first try. These aren't just random tips. These are backed by ACCA's own resources and proven strategies. So stick around till the end. And if you find this valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more ACCA guidance. Let's dive in. Alright, tip number 1. Conceptual clarity. Many students just memorize formulas and definitions without understanding the concepts, and that's where they struggle with application-based questions. Here's what you do. Go to ACCA's official website, navigate to Students Resources, and download the detailed syllabus PDF for your paper. This document is gold. It tells you exactly what you need to know, at what level, and the weightage of each topic. Keep the syllabus handy as you study. Make sure you understand not just what something is, but why and how it works. For example, in financial reporting, don't just memorize accounting standards. Understand why a treatment is required, how it impacts statements, and when to apply it. When your concepts are crystal clear, even complex exam questions become manageable. You won't panic because you'll understand the fundamentals deeply enough to apply them anywhere. Conceptual clarity is the foundation of first attempt success. Tip number 2. Mock exams and specimen papers. Most students study well but don't practice enough under exam conditions. Big mistake. Go to ACCA's website, student section, and download the free practice exams and specimen papers. These are created by ACCA itself, so they match the exact format and difficulty you will face. Why are these critical? They help you understand how questions are framed, build time management skills, and reduce exam anxiety. ACCA exams are time pressured. You need to practice completing paper within the time limits. My strategy? Start practicing mocks 4 to 6 weeks before your exam. Sit down, set timer, simulate actual exam conditions. No phones, no notes, no distractions. After each mock, review thoroughly. Don't just check answers, understand why you got something wrong. Here's your benchmark. If you are scoring 60 to 75% consistently in these mocks, you are in a strong position to pass. Below 60%, go back and strengthen your concepts before the actual exam. Practice papers can literally be the difference between pass and fail. Tip number 3. Examiner reports. This is a game changer. Many students don't even know these exist. Examiner reports are published by ACCA after every exam session, and they're gold mines of information. What are they? The actual examiners share where students performed well, where they struggled, common mistakes made, and how to avoid them. You are getting direct feedback from the people who create and grade your exams. What you will find? Common mistakes like not reading questions requirement carefully, areas where students lose easy marks, what examiners look in for answers, structure, detail level approach, etc. Time management issues that trip students up. How to use them? Download examiner reports for the last 3 to 4 sessions for your paper. Make notes of recurring themes. Create a checklist based on feedback. Read requirements twice. Allocate time based on marks. Show workings clearly. Don't overspend on one part. Students improve scores by 10 to 15% just by implementing examiner feedback. These reports literally give you the roadmap to success. Make reading examiner reports mandatory in your prep. Finally, tip number 4. Technical articles. ACCA regularly publishes technical articles, and these go beyond standard textbooks. Why read them? They give you deeper insights with real-world examples. They keep you updated on new case studies, changes in standards, and current business practices. ACCA exams include real-world scenarios. Being updated gives you an edge. They show practical applications, helping you answer application questions better. How to use them? Go to ACCA's website, find technical articles, and filter by your paper. Audit, financial management, SBL, whatever you're studying. You don't need to read everything. Focus on articles about topics you find challenging. Also, read anything about the recent updates or changes. Here is a pro tip for you. If your exam is soon, focus on articles from the last 6 to 12 months. These reflect current thinking and might hint at exam content. Many students have encountered similar scenarios in actual exams that they read about in technical articles. That familiarity builds confidence and helps structure better answers. Spend 30 to 45 minutes weekly reading relevant articles. It'll pay off massively. So, there you have it, guys. 4 proven tips to help you pass your ACC exam in your first attempt. Number 1. Conceptual clarity. Build a strong foundations using ACC's detailed syllabus. Number 2. Mock exams and specimen papers. Practice under exam conditions and aim for 60 to 75% scores. Number 3. Examiner reports. Learn from others' mistakes and understand what examiners want. Number 4. Technical articles. Gain deeper insights and stay updated with current developments. Remember, these aren't just random tips. These are resources provided by ACCA itself, designed to help you succeed. Use them strategically and you significantly increase your chances of first attempt success. At Zell Education, we incorporate all these strategies in our ACCA training programs. If you want structured guidance and expert mentorship for your ACCA journey, check out the link in the description. Now guys, I want to hear from you. Which ACCA paper are you preparing right now? And which of these 4 tips are you going to implement first? Drop your answer in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, share it with your ACCA friends who need this guidance, and make sure you subscribe to Zell Education for more tips on finance, careers, and certifications. Good luck with your ACCA exams, and remember, first attempt success is absolutely possible with the right strategy. So keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.